Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I got another package to open. And we're gonna start by ripping this side. Yank this thing out. Slowly orchestrate this. Definitely gonna help with the shock absorber. Oop. Cool. That's awesome. So I got these Maxell Twinkles. 80 minutes. Cute. I don't think I've ever bought a new 5-pack before. That's really cool. This is the Maxell Twinkle colored disc, and it has, I think, orange, green, yellow, reddish, and blue, or pink and blue. Really excited to open this at some point, but maybe not today. Very cool. Oh yeah, here's the colors listed right here. Let's see, get it nice and legible here. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Very cool. Thanks for hanging out.